In South Africa, the Road Accident Fund serves as a critical beacon of hope for thousands of individuals affected by road accidents each year. Established to offer vital financial support, the RAF assists those injured in road accidents or the families of those tragically killed. This assistance is not just a matter of compensation. It is often a lifeline for covering medical expenses, income loss, and other unforeseen consequences arising from these unfortunate events. The purpose of this video is to shed light on a question that weighs heavily on the minds of many claimants. How long will it take for the RAF to pay out my claim? Understanding the timeline of RAF payouts is more than a mere administrative concern. It is about planning your road to recovery and financial stability. This guide aims to provide clarity on the payout process, offering insights into the typical duration, influential factors, and what claimants can realistically expect during their RAF claim journey. The RAF claim journey. Thabo's story, a journey of persistence and patience. Imagine Thabo, a 45-year-old father from Johannesburg. His life took an unexpected turn when he was involved in a road accident while commuting to work. The accident left him with a broken leg and unable to work for several months, facing mounting medical bills and the need to support his family. Thabo turned to the Road Accident Fund for assistance. His journey with the RAF, fraught with uncertainty and long waits, is a story shared by many South Africans. It's a journey that demands resilience, patience, and a clear understanding of the claim process. Understanding the RAF claim process. Recovery and health first. The immediate priority is to ensure all those involved in the accident receive the necessary medical attention. Thabo's first step was to focus on his recovery and health, compiling evidence. Once stable, the next step involves gathering and compiling evidence to support the claim. This includes obtaining a doctor's report, police reports, witness statements, and other relevant evidence. Finding legal assistance. Thabo sought out a reputable personal injury law firm to manage his case. This step involved signing a mandate and a fee agreement, completing and submitting claim forms. His attorney helped him complete the RAF claim form and submitted it along with required supporting documents like ID copies, police case numbers, medical reports, and proof of expenses incurred due to the accident. RAF investigation. Post-submission, the RAF had a period of 120 days to investigate Thabo's claim, which might include site visits, witness interviews, and acquiring additional medical records. Issuing a summons. If the RAF didn't make a settlement offer within the stipulated time, Thabo's attorney prepared and issued a summons against the fund. Medical examinations and reports. Expert medical reports were required to support and substantiate Thabo's claim, often necessitating further medical examinations. Securing a trial date and negotiating settlement. The attorney then worked on securing a trial date and, if possible, negotiated a settlement. Receiving compensation. Finally, after the case was settled, the RAF made the payment. However, this step could take an additional 6 to 12 months after settlement. The typical time frame after filing a claim. Navigating through the Road Accident Fund claim process can often feel like a journey through uncharted territory. Once a claim is filed, the clock starts ticking, but the pace can feel frustratingly slow for many. Typically, from the moment a claim is lodged until the final settlement, claimants may find themselves waiting anywhere from 3 to 5 years. This duration encompasses the initial filing, investigation, potential court proceedings, and finally the settlement phase. From case finalization to payment. After enduring the lengthy process of getting a claim finalized, one might expect swift compensation. However, another waiting game often begins here. The RAF promises to make payments within 180 days of settlement or court judgment. While this 6-month time frame might sound reasonable, it's not always the case in practice. Administrative backlogs, internal RAF challenges, and various procedural delays can extend this period significantly, leaving claimants in a state of uncertainty. Real-life impact of delays. Take Namsa's story, for example. A school teacher from Cape Town, she found herself severely injured in a taxi accident. Her claim journey with the RAF was a long one, filled with hope and frustration. After finally reaching a settlement, the additional wait for the payout extended well beyond the promised 180 days. This delay meant struggling to afford ongoing medical treatments and grappling with mounting financial pressures. Sifo's experience mirrors this frustration. As an entrepreneur from Durban, a motorbike accident not only impacted his health but also the viability of his business. After navigating the complicated RAF claim process, he found himself waiting an agonizing extra year for the payout, during which his business faced severe financial strain. These stories are far from unique and highlight a critical aspect of the RAF claim process. The post-settlement wait can be as challenging as the claim process itself. Factors influencing payout time. The duration it takes for the road accident fund to process and pay out claims can vary significantly. Several factors play a crucial role in either extending or shortening this timeline. Understanding these elements can provide claimants with a clearer picture of what to expect and why some claims may take longer than others. The size of the claim. Larger claims generally take longer to process and pay out compared to smaller ones. This is often due to the increased complexity and scrutiny involved in verifying and assessing larger sums. Larger claims may require additional layers of approval and more extensive investigations, leading to longer waiting periods for claimants. Attorney-related issues. The expertise and efficiency of the attorney handling the claim can significantly influence the payout timeline. Experienced attorneys are more likely to navigate the process swiftly and avoid common pitfalls. If an attorney's firm has unresolved issues with the RAF, previous overpayments or disputes, this can delay the processing of current claims. Seasonal variations. During the RAF's financial year-end, there may be a rush to settle claims, potentially speeding up some payouts. Conversely, budgetary constraints at certain times of the year can lead to delays in payout as the RAF manages its cash flow. For many South Africans, this period is marked by financial hardship, emotional stress, and a desperate need for closure that seems always just out of reach. Tips for timely payment. Document thoroughly. Ensure all your documents, medical reports, and evidence are thoroughly and correctly compiled. Any missing or incorrect information can cause delays. Follow up regularly. Don't hesitate to follow up with your attorney for updates. Regular check-ins can keep your case active. Consider settlement offers. If the RAF makes a reasonable settlement offer, consider it seriously. Settlements can often lead to quicker payouts than going to trial. That's all for today's video. We hope this video has provided valuable information and insights that will aid you in your journey with the RAF. It's important to remember that while the process can be challenging, there are resources and support systems available. We encourage our viewers to share their own stories and experiences with RAF claims in the comments below. Also, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.